How to unpublish a Canva website. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So let's say you have a website and you have it published and you want to work on it a little bit. You don't want people to be able to see it. It's not going to be published anymore until you decide that you want to publish it again. In that case, you can also unpublish a website. And to do so is actually going to be very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So first, all you need to do is just go ahead and open up the Canva website that you have. In my case, I'm just going to use this one, which is an example site that I have. So just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, you should be able to see at the top, we have publish website on the top right, preview, share on all of these things. So if you click on the publish website option, it's actually going to show us that it is live in our case because it is already published. And in your case, if it's not published, then it's not going to show you it is live. But yeah, if you want to unpublish it now because it says live at the top right, then we can also scroll down a little bit and go to the publish settings option. So here's going to be the URL. Let's just go ahead and we can do it later. But now we have the publish settings. If you click on the publish settings here, you will see that we have the unpublished website option at the bottom. So you can see advanced settings, and under advanced settings, we have unpublished website. If you click on that, it's actually going to ask you, are you sure you want to unpublish? The website will no longer be online at the website, and any embed links to it will break. And you can still edit it and republish again if you want to. So click on unpublished website, and it's actually going to take a little bit of time. And now it is not live anymore. If you try to go to that site, it's not going to allow you to. So let's just go and click on that and try to go here, and it's not even clickable anymore. So I can't really do so, but let's just try to copy it. I'm just going to copy this entire thing first. And as you can see, if I try to open this up, it's just not going to work because it is not published. And you can see now it doesn't say live at the top right, so it's not live for us. But if you want to publish it again, it's going to be exactly the same way. You just go to publish website, and then you would want to just click on publish website. And now it actually should be back live, and you can just go to it, and it's just going to work well. So you can actually go ahead and copy this now, and we can just go back, enter it, and we should have our site ready to go. So this is pretty much how to publish and unpublish your Canva website. So here we can just go ahead and click on edit again and click on publish website, and we can actually see now again we have it as live. So yeah, this is all. And again, we also have more stuff here if you want to, advanced settings. So if you want to have it as password protection instead of unpublishing it right away, you can also do so from the advanced settings options. But this is all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.